Hard water stains are made of minerals that stick to surfaces like glass, faucets, and tile. A simple way to remove many mineral stains is with diluted vinegar.
Hey there! Didn't mean to barge in, just thought I might brighten up your kitchen. Useful, tangy, and always ready to help clean or flavor things up. Nice to meet you.
If you mix equal parts of white vinegar and water, and then pour it in a spray bottle and spray it on a mineral stain, you may notice light bubbling as the deposit begins to break apart. Here's the formula. As a rule of thumb, use a 1-to-1 ratio. Equal parts of white vinegar and water. 1 cup of white vinegar and 1 cup of water. Simply pour it into a spray bottle and make sure the spray nozzle is on tight and shake lightly. Spray the solution directly onto the mineral stain. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. You may see light bubbling as the acid reacts with the mineral deposit. Wipe the surface with a cloth or sponge. Rinse with clean water. For heavier mineral buildup, use 100% undiluted white vinegar and allow it to sit 5 to 10 minutes before wiping. That bubbling is a chemical reaction happening between the acid and the mineral. So why does acid dissolve these stains so effectively? Let's look at the chemistry behind it. Mineral stains disappear with acidic cleaners because acids chemically react with the minerals that cause the stain. Hard water contains dissolved minerals, mainly calcium and magnesium. When water evaporates from a surface, those minerals remain behind. Over time, they build up into visible white or cloudy deposits. These deposits are usually made of calcium carbonate, the same compound found in chalk and limestone. Calcium carbonate is stable in neutral water, but it reacts when exposed to acid. Acids release hydrogen ions. These hydrogen ions interact with the carbonate part of calcium carbonate. When that reaction happens, the solid mineral breaks apart and forms new substances that dissolve in water. Instead of a hard, crusty deposit stuck to a surface, the mineral becomes soluble and can be wiped or rinsed away. This is why vinegar works on hard water stains. Vinegar contains acetic acid. Even though it is a weak acid, it provides enough hydrogen ions to react with calcium carbonate. Stronger acidic cleaners work faster because they provide more available hydrogen ions, increasing the reaction rate. The key idea is chemical reactivity. Mineral stains are alkaline in nature. Acids neutralize alkaline substances through a chemical reaction. It's not scrubbing power that removes hard water stains, it's chemistry. When acid contacts the mineral, it converts the solid deposit into dissolved compounds that wash away. Acidic cleaners work on mineral stains because they chemically break down the mineral structure, turning a solid buildup into something soluble. Surfaces to avoid. Do not use acidic cleaners on natural stone, marble, granite, limestone. Also be careful with some finished metals. Acids can damage these materials.